Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. SEMSA Global School is organizing an activity under the guidance of CBSE, and this activity is towards the concept of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. The initiative Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat was announced by Honorable Prime Minister on 31st October 2015 on the occasion of the 148th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And as you all are already aware, with this initiative, as you all have recently made a project under the heading Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, where you have paired Uttar Pradesh with Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. In the same way, CBSE has given one more activity for the students, so that through this innovative measure, the knowledge of the art, culture, traditions, and practice of different state and union territories will lead to an enhanced understanding and bonding between the states, thereby strengthening the unity and integrity of India, as well as the knowledge which will be inculcated within the students. So let us very quickly see the topic and the activity which you have to do under this heading. Topic of the activity. For classes 6 to 8, the topic is Similarities in the Art and Culture of Uttar Pradesh with Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. So what you have to do is that you have to find the similarities in the art and culture of Uttar Pradesh with Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. So you can take music, dance form, folk dances, dresses, costumes, cuisine, art, monuments, traditions, and so on. Okay, so the topic is similarities in the art and culture of Uttar Pradesh with Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. So let us see now what you have to do, or what are the activities which you have to do under this topic. Now the types of activity are painting, drawing, essay writing up to 300 words, and poem writing. Okay, now this essay writing and poem writing can either be in Hindi or English. It is up to you. Whatever you want to do, whichever language you want to choose, either Hindi or English, you can write essay writing or poem. Okay. Now participants will do the following. First is you have to fill the annexure. Second, enclosed and fill it up. Now what is this annexure? That you will see in the next slide. Poem and essay will be handwritten on A4 sheets. Drawing and painting will be done on the drawing sheet. Click a clear photo of annexure 2 and your activity and send it to dikshaghs22@gmail.com. So you have to click a very clear photo of annexure 2 and the activity which you are doing. Like if you are doing painting, drawing, poem writing or essay writing, you have to click a clear photo and you have to send it in my Gmail account, that is dikshaghs@gmail.com. And the last date of submission is 16th December 2020. So you have to send it before this date, that is 16th December. If you are sending any activity after this date, so it will not be taken. Okay. So now this is the sample of annexure 2. Okay. So this is the format which is sent by CBSE. What you have to do is that you need to write all these details on the each sheet you use for submitting the entry. Fill all details. All fields are mandatory. Like you have to write your name of participant, class, gender, name of school with complete address, name of city, village, state, contact number of participant, parent, whichever is applicable, contact number of school, email address of participant, whichever is applicable. So this has to be filled. Now I'll be sending the PDF of this sample in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so either you can just take a printout from there or you can just make your own format, because I have already shared the format with you. It is up to you whatever you want to do. Now, certificates and awards. Okay, so we shall submit the shortlisted entries to CBSE. Okay, so we will select the best one and we will be sending this entry to CBSE. Okay, now each participant will get an online certificate. Okay, now 10 best entries of each category will be selected for regional level. So, this is a very good opportunity because the activities which you will be sending, which we will be selecting, the best entries of each category will be selected for regional level. So it is a very good opportunity for you. And 3 best entries shortlisted from all regions will be uploaded in CBSE website. Okay. So all the best, and again I'll say that it is mandatory for all the students to participate in this activity, and winning is a good thing and also admirable, but understand that every time winning is not everything. Participation is also very important. So all the best and participate with full enthusiasm. And if in case you are having any doubt or if you are unable to understand anything, then you can just text me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.